Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we will start our chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. So, before you read, Annalise Marie, Anne Frank, 12th June 1929, February March 1945 was a German born Jewish girl. So, Anna Frank, she was a 13-year-old Jewish girl and she was born in Germany, who wrote while in hiding with her family and four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. So, she and her family had to go in hiding. They were afraid of the Germans. So, her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany, but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. So, she wrote when she was hiding with her family and four friends. And what was the place? The place was in Amsterdam. And what was the time? It was during the German rule of the Netherlands in World War II. When Nazis gained power in Germany, her family had to move to Amsterdam. As when the Nazi occupation her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany. And what was the reason? They were hiding. And what was the reason of their shifting? The reason was the German rule of the Netherlands, and it was the time in World War II when Nazis gained power in Germany. Her family had to move to Amsterdam. But what happened? But they were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. But they were trapped when the Nazi rule extended into the Netherlands. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding. In July 1942, in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. And what happened? As exploitation against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942. And what was the place? They hide themselves in the hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system, where Annie died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margot Frank. So, they hide there for 2 years, but they were cheated and they were transported to the concentration camp, wherein Bergen-Belsen, after the death of her sister Margot Frank, Annie died of typhus. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary had been saved. So, what happened? After Frank Annie died of typhus. What is typhus? Typhus is a kind of fever. Her father Otto, he was the only survivor of the group. He returned to Amsterdam after the war ended, and her father Otto, who was the only survivor of the group, he returned to Amsterdam to find that her diary had been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So, he returned to Amsterdam. After the war ended, he found that her diary had been saved, and he saw that it was a unique record, and so he decided to publish it. He published it in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. The diary was given to Annie on her 13th birthday, and what is given in the diary? It has record of events of her life from 12th June 1942 to August 1944. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. So, it was translated from Dutch, and from Dutch it is translated into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. There have also been several films, television and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. There have also been several films, television and theatrical productions. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. So, the diary provides an information of their daily routine, how they spend their time under Nazi rule. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Anne Frank has become one of the famous victims who faced troubles in her life, who faced difficulties in her life. So, activity is given in your book. 2 questions are there in activity. You have to do it in your notebook. Thank you.